Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today I show you pig. Pig are all sleeping here. You see, some people eat. Some pig are eating. You can see. You can see the pig. This pig is complete 5 months. 5 months complete. Oh, it's got. Here, parting pig parting here. And this so very excited. Pig. Air relax. So air supply here. Air supply here. The change water. Sometimes the water became dirty. Air in here. This is 6 months. This is the good. This is all mix here, female and male. This pigs 150 days. 150 days means 6 months. You can see. Oh, here are bathing. Very excited, very happy. So very happy. Hello, hi guys. Oh. There are also bathing. Hello guys, how are you? Oh, ready for fighting? No. In her basket, the feet here, you can see. Whoa. Yeah. Sick. This one sick. Oh, this one needs injection. Need injection. After I give you injection, okay? Don't worry. Be okay. This one sick. Okay. After I give you injection, okay? This is male. You can see this is male. Some pig have the number of ear. Here cut the Sunnis number. Yeah. So playing, this one so playing. Really happy this one. This my friend. So need to pick playing with someday. As you can see, very happy. Eat. This one eat. Eat. This all my friend. because my pig farm, all my friend, this one, oh, this one the grain, this is for pig food, some pigs are feeding. Oh, 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 oh. If you want pig, please contact me in the description. I keep my number. No, because now no selling this pig. This pig is now after 2 months I will sell you. After sale time I show you video for friend. Okay, thank you so much watching this video, and please like, subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.